Today I'll be showing you how to create a website using Canva no hosting, plus a free domain, and can also use it to make some cool cash. If you are serious, let's get started. Also, as you can see, the website has 3D animation. So first of all, let's get started. Yeah, you have to open canva.com and register. And as you can see inside of Canva, you click on website. We have different type of templates: cosmetic website, portfolio, events, educational websites, bio website, and so on. For template, you can use as much as possible, but I'll be picking a template here from the list. Next step is to showcase of the website. As you can see, this is what we'll be building today using canva.com. It's very easy and very simple. So you head to editing dashboard it on group. You can also ungroup it. You can do so many things like changing the animation, the font, and so on. You can also change the Apple logo, the play button of Google Play button. You can also change it. Next thing we'll be doing now is to publish our website. You click on Publish Website. So, as you can see, we will be about to publish our website using 3 different options. You can add navigate. You can use with or without navigation bar. The nav bar is just used in navigating sections in the website. The other thing you can do is choose from either free domain purchase, buy a new domain, or use an existing domain. So I'll be using a free domain and I'll click on Continue. And this, you want your website link extension, and this will be the title if you want to edit the title of the website, and if you want to change the extension, for example, like Showcase or anything, so I'll be using Showcase, for example. Now I'm using Showcase. Then the next thing to do is page description. You can use any description you like. It will enhance your SEO when doing it. The meaning is search engine, maybe optimization. So I'll be using best in digital agency, for example. Then you click on Advanced Settings. You can add a password if you like. Now is to publish it. To publish. So it's loading, preparing your design. While preparing it, relax and drink coffee. As you can see, your website is now live, so view website. Now we want to view our website. As you can see, is clean, easy, and simple. Please guys, like and subscribe. Then share this video to learn more about tech and how to make money.